afternoon. I am 𝐬𝐫𝐴𝐻𝐿. I am the Laboratory Manager of WESTCO Electrical and Equipment Corporation. So I'm here to present the two new test capabilities of the Insulating Oil Laboratory. So we have specific gravity and oxidation inhibitor tests. So these two are utmost importance also in tracking the health of our transformers and of course to prevent any transformer issues. So we'll discuss them one by one. First is the specific gravity. What is specific gravity? Just compares the density of the transformer oil to water. Usually water has specific gravity of 1.0 and of course transformer oil is lighter. Usually it ranges from 0.84 to 0.91. So what are the reasons? Why do we need to test the specific gravity of our insulating oils? First is to detect any contamination in our transformers because changes in the specific gravity can signal contamination. For example, contamination of water in oil. So this helps in determining if the transformer is at risk of failure. Next one is of course to determine the condition of our oil. Of course, the transformer undergoes several chemical changes such as oxidation, acid formation, sludge development. And these processes will of course alter the composition of our oil and its density, thereby changing its specific gravity over time. The next reason, of course, is for fluid identification. So there are different types of insulating oils: mineral oil, silicone oil, or the ester-based fluids. So they have distinct specific gravity values. Determining specific gravity will determine the type of insulating oil, which will avoid costly mix-ups which may cause damage to our transformer. Next one is of course to check the performance of our transformer because specific gravity affects its cooling and insulating properties of the transformer. So if the specific gravity is outside the normal range, it may indicate good oil quality affecting its cooling efficiency. It will be able to reduce the dielectric strength leading to poor insulation and of course the settling of any impurities or particulates which can compromise the performance of our transformer. Of course, lastly, for cold weather safety. Usually in cold climates, water within transformer oil can also freeze, forming ice crystals, which can damage the internal components of the transformer, which may lead to electrical breakdowns. So this minimize the formation of ice bridges or conductive paths which could cause short circuits. So we have here in our laboratory a force tensiometer which can also test the specific gravity. So following the procedure of the equipment manual of our tensiometer, so in minutes, the specific gravity can be determined using this equipment. So that is for specific gravity.